Hello YouTube fans, Jose Fong's here with another great video. Today we're going to be preparing a delicacy. We're going to be preparing a beef tongue. So beef tongue, it's one of the most tender and flavorful beef out there. So I mean, it does take a little bit of time, but the rewards are great. So stay tuned and watch this video, okay? So here's the beef tongue. We picked this at the local butcher shop. As you guys can see, this is quite big. Now the tongue itself, it does have a very thick skin around it, and it's we have to boil this down, or you can slow braise it for at least 3 hours. This skin eventually will come off, leaving all the great beef and flavorful goodies right behind it. We're also gonna add oregano onto our stock that we're gonna braise our beef in. As you see, this is all beef right here, and it's all tender. It has a little bit of fat, but not too much. Okay, the most concerning part is this skin outside. Once it boils down, all this is gonna be it will be so easy to just tear it away from the meat, and then all you have is this beautiful, flavorful red meat. Okay. Then we're gonna cover it and we'll let it go for 3 hours. So it's about 5 o'clock, close to 5 o'clock now. So we'll take it out we'll check it at 7:30, and then we'll see how far it has gone when it gets to 7:30, okay? So to go along with our beef tongue, we're gonna make a torta. A torta is basically just a Spanish word for sandwich. So with that sandwich, we're gonna use French baguette. We're gonna cut about 4 to 5 inches in length, and we're gonna split them. We're gonna butter it, and then we're gonna toast it. And to complement that beef tongue, we're also gonna make a serrano salsa. Here we have some serranos that we're gonna toast in one of our skillets. We're gonna toast some garlic, and then we're gonna toast some onion as well. And we're gonna puree that with some salt and pepper and a little bit of water, and then we're gonna roughly chop some cilantro, and that's gonna be added later into the salsa making. So follow me, and then we'll go to the next step. put a little bit of water just to give it that viscosity, okay? I'm gonna let it run.
So we're gonna let it run for a cycle. So let's go check. Check for consistency. I'm gonna get a spoon. So as you guys see, it's nice, creamy. It has all those pieces of charred skin. Okay, and we are gonna taste to make sure it has enough salt. Wow, this is really, really good. Okay, but it does need more salt.
So we'll put 2 more pinches of salt. And then we're gonna take it out and we are gonna put the chopped cilantro. So let me go get a bowl, be right back. And then we'll put this on hold until our beef tongue is ready. And we'll wait on that. We just mix it. And you don't have to use this, it's just that it is a nice garnish to complement the beef tongue. And that's if you're looking for authentic a dish, Mexican dish. And there we go. So we'll wait. So I took the liberty to cut the beef tongue half lengthwise to make sure it cooks all the way through. Now the house smells like if you were cooking pot roast. But we can see all the nice fibers going one direction. just like I was mentioning before, you should be able to just peel that skin off, and now you have all this delicious meat. It does have a little bit of fat, but don't make sure you don't take that out because that adds to the flavor once we start cutting this up. Okay. So we'll grab our cleaver and then we'll start. You can do it in slices, and you can have cold sandwich with mustard, or like in Mexico, like we're gonna do a torta. So we're gonna chop it all up. Okay. So when I was saying to make sure you leave that little fat in there, that's because the beef tongue is just like a filet mignon. It does not have a lot of fat. So whatever fat is in there, it actually complements. Look at that. Oh, nice. Delicious, juicy beef. And because the flavor is so concentrated, I mean, it's tender, flavorful. And we'll just continue chopping the rest of it, okay? So here we go. Okay. Get our next one. So for this sandwich, we can literally put the beef. Okay. Put as much as you want. I'm gonna chop it out with our cilantro and onion mix. And we are gonna top it out with our salsa. So we have our first volunteer. See what he thinks. Nathan.
That's good.
What's it taste like?
Can't explain it. So good. You taste the beef and a lot of the salsa.
So here we go. There's our sandwich, our torta.